Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy and today I am back again with a new video and so everyone knows tomorrow is your FMG exam. So today is the last day before your exam and this is going to be a very anxiety kind of day. We are going to have a lot of anxiety palpitations. So this video is just about some basic things which you need to remember and keep in mind before exam. Obviously, till now at this point, you already know that your studies are completed and you are done with your revisions. As last day hai, so firstly, I would like to say you all to just try to stay calm. I know that is not possible at this point of moment, because last day, the only thought which will be coming in your mind is like I am forgetting everything and what is going to happen tomorrow. बट ट्रस्ट मी, जब कल एग्ज़ाम में तुम पेपर के सामने बैठोगे एंड द पेपर इज़ गोना स्टार्ट automatically as you are going to read the questions the answer are going to come in your mind because you have already studied. Your mind is going to recall each and everything and it is going to give back to you, so don't worry about that. Just try and relax today, study today till evening. Don't try to study till late night. Keep yourself calm. Secondly, you need to sleep today. Sleep अगर नींद नहीं आ रही है so at least try that you go on bed and just close your eyes. That's enough. You don't need to focus yourself on sleeping, or don't try to eat any extra medicines to keep you calm or anything. Please don't try that all things. Just try to close your eyes, whether it is for 1-2 hours also it's enough, but just try to close your eyes and sleep. Secondly, try to go to your exam center 1 hour before at least, because winter season is going on, so you never know, traffic हो सकता है और you can catch up with the fog. Try to take 1.5 hour buffer or 1 hour buffer in your hand and then go to the exam center, because अगर पहले पहुंच गया तो no problem, but अगर late हो गया तो काफ़ी rush में तुम जाओगे and your verification will go on and then you will go in the exam center. थोड़ा half an hour हाथ में रहता है तो it helps you calm down. सेकेंडली, नॉट सेकेंडली, वॉट एवर बी द नंबर, एक चीज़ और ध्यान रखने का कि वी आर कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ्स. विंटर है आई नो, बट ओवर ड्रेसिंग भी मत करके जाना, बिकॉज इन साइड द रूम इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी पैक्ड एंड यू आर गोना फील सफोकेशन एट वन पॉइंट. सो प्लीज़ वी आर अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई वुड लाइक टू से इज, जब एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो जाए, एग्जाम स्टार्ट होने के पहले हाफ एन आवर यू आर गोना हैव टू डू नथिंग. यू जस्ट हैव टू गो एंड सिट इन द एग्जाम. तुम्हारी वेरिफिकेशन हो जाएगी, बायोमेट्रिक्स हो जाएगी, एंड देन यू आर गोना गिव, दे आर गोइंग टू गिव यू द सीट नंबर एंड यू हैव टू गो एंड सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर एंड यू हैव टू डू नथिंग, एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग फॉर हाफ एन आवर. The only thing you are going to do in that half an hour is you are going to put your head down and you are going to just stay calm, recall some of the things which is going in your mind about study, any topics or anything, or just keep your eyes closed. No need to talk बगल वाले से or this side that side. No need to peep in anyone's computer. कुछ भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to say hi bye, nothing. You just have to focus on your computer. अपना head down करके just stay calm. उसके अलावा when you reach to the exam center, if your friends are there or any one of your known person gets there, don't try to talk with them. If you try to talk with them, don't try to talk about the exam. They are going to give you unnecessary anxiety. Trust me. सिर्फ ये इतना बोल देने से, भाई मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है, तुमने पढ़ा है क्या, एंड देन यू आर गोना रिप्लाई मैंने भी नहीं पढ़ा है और मैंने पढ़ा है, इज़ गोइंग टू गिव योर ब्रेन अ वेरी बिग इम्पैक्ट. और एल्स इफ दैट गाय और द गर्ल आस्क्स योर क्वेश्चन, what was this, and if by default you're not able to recall at that point, that is going to give you a very much bad kind of anxiety. So better try to no need to communicate with anyone. Try to keep the conversation to minimum and just go and sit on your exam table. अभी एग्ज़ाम की बात करते हैं. एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट हो गया है, यू आर सीइंग योर पेपर. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़, आई हैव सेड दिस अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इन माई ओल्ड वीडियो ऑल्सो, डोंट चेंज योर ऑप्शंस वाइल गिविंग द एग्ज़ाम. तुमने एक ऑप्शन क्लिक कर दिया है, now don't go back and go for changing the option. If you are going to keep your questions for review, minimum number of questions you should try to keep for review is 5. You should not extend that number of question for review more than 5. तुम जितने ज़्यादा questions review के लिए रखोगे उतने बार तुम option change करने वाले हो. You are going to self doubt yourself, and this is where you lose that 1 to 2 marks which brings you to 148, 149. So please don't do that. Please promise yourself and go in the exam. Whatever happens, I won't change my options. I will only change my option then when I know that that option was correct and I am not overthinking myself. या तुमने रश में एक आंसर मार्क कर दिया and now you are realizing okay, या कोई related question आया on any other, if any related question comes on any other question number and then you correlate it with the old one, then only you are supposed to change your answers, or else don't change your options. One more important thing, don't try to overthink there in your exam, and don't try to become a specialist of the exam. It is not like examiner can't ask you this much easy, itna easy to nahi puchega. Don't keep that in mind. They can ask a very basic question as well, and they can twist the entire question in a full clinical form also. So don't try to become the analyzer for the examiner. If you're feeling that this is the answer, just mark it. Itna easy to nahi puchega pe, you no need to switch the option. They not only check your clinicals, they also check your basics. Sometimes they will surprise you with a very easy question as well. You won't even feel that this much easy question is supposed to come in FMG, but in exam this way kind of questions comes. So better don't over analyze yourself. Don't think that this much easy to nahi puchega. They can obviously ask this much easy, they can ask anything. Uske alawa one more important thing is this: before every paper you need to keep 2 to 3 minutes in your hand. 50-50 का स्लॉट होगा. यू हैव टू कीप 2 to 3 minutes इन योर हैंड, सो दैट तुम अपने आप को काम करके नेक्स्ट पेपर के लिए प्रिपेयर कर सको. इतना रश में नहीं रहना है दैट यू आर ऑन योर 48th क्वेश्चन एंड टाइम खत्म हो गया एंड सेकेंड पेपर स्टार्ट हो गया. सो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. टाइम को इस तरह से मैनेज. अब तक तुमने बहुत सारी GTs दे चुकी होगी. यू हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ GT, सो यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट हाउ योर 50-50 minute इज गोइंग टू वर्क. सो बेटर स्टिक टू दैट. 2 to 3 minutes please keep in hand. Don't be in so much rush. Secondly, if you are having so much time, like तुमने अगर पेपर 45 minutes में complete कर लिया है, or you have completed the paper in 40 minutes, in last 5 to 10 minutes if you are sitting simply, please don't go back to the paper, start reviewing each and every question and just randomly changing the option. If you are reviewing the paper, please control yourself for changing the option, or else just don't review the paper. Just believe that you have did everything correct. That's it. Second, while putting the questions for review, make sure before submitting the paper, any paper, your all the flags should be green. सारे के सारे flags green होने चाहिए. None of them should be blue. None of them should be red. So you have to do you have to unflag all the options which you marked for review, and you have to do them as green flags. I don't know अगर तुमने red रख दिया या वो नहीं हुआ green तो वो evaluate होता है या नहीं, but why to take risk? You just have to do all the green flags well before time finishing. So keep that in mind. One more important thing is that जब paper 1 खत्म होगा and you're gonna come out, you're gonna prepare for paper 2. Don't talk anything about paper 1 with anyone. If you're gonna go washroom, you're gonna listen people discussing paper 1 was very easy, mine paper went good, I am fully screwed, my paper didn't went good. So don't think about that. Just no need to, just ignore that. Do your work, go back, take out your notebook. सेकेंड पेपर के लिए सी ऑल द ट्यूमर स्टेजिंग, इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, ये सारी चीज़ देख के जाना. अगर ऐसा कुछ है जो कि तुम्हें लास्ट मिनट रिवाइज करना है, एनी काइंड ऑफ स्कोर्स और एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, जस्ट गो एंड सी वंस. एक बार ही उसे जाके देख लेना. ईट समथिंग and then come back for second paper. Try not to take a break between the exam, for washroom or anything, क्योंकि वो तुम्हें दोबारा से biometrics के लिए करवाएंगे and your 2 to 3 minutes are going to go in that. So better don't do that. Exam देते time please don't peep in anyone's computer. वहाँ कैमरा लगे होते हैं and they see everything. You never know, it's a bad luck for you and रिजल्ट के टाइम पे वो होल्ड और समथिंग इज़ गोना कम फॉर यू. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अवॉइड दैट. अपने कंप्यूटर पे ध्यान देना. डोंट सी हेयर एंड देयर. एंड what else? I think so I said maximum everything. सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके जाने हैं. वॉट एवर डॉक्यूमेंट्स यू हैव फिल्ड इन योर फॉर्म, लाइक अगर एक तो आधार यू हैव टू टेक, पासपोर्ट यू हैव टू टेक. एक्स्ट्रा ऑल्सो अगर तुमने कुछ दिया है, पैन कार्ड और ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, इट्स ऑन यू. इफ़ यू हैव टू टेक एंड गो, यू कैन टेक एंड गो. दे विल ओनली चेक योर पासपोर्ट एंड आधार, बट इफ़ फॉर सेफ साइड यू कैन टेक एंड गो. एडमिट कार्ड ब्लैक एंड वाइट होना चाहिए और कलर्ड होना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ब्लैक एंड वाइट ऑल्सो वर्क्स. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग कलर्ड इट इज़ ऑल्सो ओके. सो बोथ ऑफ देम इज़ फाइन. There is no issues with that. Don't take any kind of chain or rings in your hand. They are going to make you open there. So remove that all things with you. One more thing, and if by default it happens with you that exam start hote time, while it's starting the exam, your computer has got stuck, or sometimes it happens that you're giving the exam and just computer just shuts down. So no need to panic. Computer they are going to come and fix, and your timing is not going to go anywhere. You are going to get that same time, because it happened in my exam hall. Someone's computer got off in between, and while our paper finished she was still giving the exam. So her timer was running according to that. It was not like her timer also finished with us. So no need to panic in that your time is going to go. You are going to get that same time. The time when your computer shut down, that time is going to stop there. When it will resume, then only your exam time is also going to resume. You are going to get the entire time. After everyone's finishing also, your paper is going to run. So don't worry about that, because ऐसा सुनने में आ जाता है अगर कंप्यूटर बंद हुआ. So we also get a panic due to that. So no need to get panic. they are going to come and fix as soon as possible, and you are going to resume your exam on time. That is not going to be an issue. Sometime your login won't open. You are going to log in your ID and password and everything, it won't open. For that also they're going to come and fix. You don't need to worry about that why is it not happening or anything. It's just a normal glitch sometime with the system, so they are going to come and fix it. So this was all, I think so. And you would have heard a lot of time, tum pass hone ke bahut hi pass ho, and you are gonna sail through. And we all have been there, we all were this much in panic situation and self doubt situation. So it's totally normal, and I know my saying is not going to make it less or more, it is going to be the same. But I can only say you just try and control that feeling, hold that feeling with you, because तुमने बहुत सीरियसली कुछ प्रिपेयर करा है, दैट इज़ वाई यू आर हैविंग दैट एंगजाइटी. दोज हु वुड नॉट हैव प्रिपेयर्ड विद दैट सिंसियरिटी एंड दैट seriousness, that they have something, a very big something is on stake, they won't be feeling that anxiety. If you are serious about something, then only the tension and the anxiety and everything comes in. If you're not serious about something, you won't get that feeling. So turn it towards the positive thing, that you are serious about something and you have invested so much in this, so definitely you're gonna get the return of that, because hard works never goes unpaid. You are gonna get that same thing. And trust me, the exam is going to be same like your GT. The only difference will be, this time you are not going to think that what if we'll mark an answer maximum, what is going to happen, it is going to become wrong. Right now that wrong question is going to be in your marks. So that is the only, that pressure comes above that. Rest everything is as in GT. So just try to not focus on that pressure and give the exam just like the GTs, how you have been practicing every time. Don't overthink yourself. Believe yourself while marking an answer. I know the answer, because you know the answer. Just believe me, you know the answer. तुमने 6 months की पढ़ाई करी है. It's not possible that your brain would not have gained anything. When you'll sit tomorrow in front of your exam, trust me, all the answers are gonna come in front of you. You are gonna remember each and everything. You are gonna know, yes, I have read this topic. If little bit I'll pressurize my brain more, the answer is going to come, because the answer is in front of you. In that 4 options only the answer is. You just have to analyze which one is the answer and which one is not. So trust yourself, control yourself, believe in yourself, and you're definitely going to pass. All the very, very best from my side. And please don't try to study till late night today. Keep a normal routine, eat well, drink a lot of water, and try to get some good night's sleep. And all the very best for tomorrow exam. May you all pass, and may all my friends pass, may all my junior pass. All the very, very, very best from my side. Just sail through this, and see you on the next side. Thank you so much.